Good morning traders, it's Paul from I want to be a forextrader.com, dailyforextrader.me. I've done something I haven't traded euro dollar for. I just never do it, okay, except today. Last night we had a gold trade. Now, for those of you not seen Signal Trader before, let me show you what that is. Here's the dollar news. You see it dropping like a fly, smack down on the bottom, hit this resistance and proceeded to bounce back up again. Okay, now with the gold trade, you see that's the gold there. Wait till the end of the white line and look for this candle. You see the one with the two little ends there? So I actually put an order on there. It's not really done anything overnight. Now, some interesting things. Firstly, look at the daily chart. I always check the daily chart, see what's going on with the pair. Give myself some more evidence. I've got this new drawing tool, it's rather cool. Okay, so here we've got like a little trend going up here. And here's the other side of it. Look what happened the last time. Just bounced back, didn't it? It's sort of sitting within this sort of bullish trend with a top of this line here. So I think it's reasonable to expect this trade here of it coming back, especially because we've got German unemployment news today. So we don't know, we might get a quick poof up and then it might rally up and then come down. It might rally up and just come up to about here, which is far above my target anyway. So that's good. So that's why I've taken this trade, and I know I'm naughty and I shouldn't, but you know what, forex people that trade the forex are generally rule breakers. Just get rid of that. Doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So the 15-minute chart, we've now got it's showing it's in congestion, sitting at this support level now. I shouldn't think it's going to go anywhere, really, I've got to say. And then there's more evidence of a buy there. Look at this little white line down here. I shouldn't think it's going to go anywhere, pretty much, until the news. Looking at the web interface, not my notes, sorry. Looking at the web interface. Let's have a look. When is the German news? The German news is... We've got Swiss franc at 6.45. Quite important, but I'm not trading Swiss francs. That's alright. I might have a look at Swiss francs if there's anything interesting. But I don't generally trade news. However, they're talking about German unemployment. If German unemployment comes out well, it could rally the euro very, very fast. So I need to be flat for that. So I need to have my stop at take profit, which is here. So we'll see what happens. Is long and short of it. If I'm in profit before the news, I may take it off. I'll make the decision. The other thing was that this morning there was this euro to rebound as unemployment declines, former support in focus. So they're saying another 10k drop in unemployment may spur a bullish reaction on the US dollar as it limits the European Central Bank's ECB scope to further embark on its easing cycle at the March the 6th meeting. So they reckon that if we get minus 10k, it could rebound the euro. So so basically, they're looking at this. They've got some setups here. Very good. Well done, Daily FX. I think that's a good plan, but the plan is to be safe. So I'm going to have a tight stop loss on it. Probably, I'm just going to let my new stop loss system, which I've been working on. As you can see, the red dotted line, that's a short stop loss, and there's the green dotted line is the long stop loss. I'm just going to let that take over and just run the trade through that. I don't like trading news. I really hate it. I never normally do it. I think I'm in profit. I may close the trade before and just trade the aftermath of it, because it may, of course, go the other way. So I'm just thinking out loud. I'll make a decision a bit later on, see how we get on in the next few hours. But look at this. Daily and weekly is bullish. I don't like trading. If they're bearish, if they're bearish, I won't sell. I won't buy the pair. If daily and weekly are bearish, I like to see that the underlying move of the pair is bullish, because that means if we've got a fire down against the pair, what's likely to happen? It's likely to go back up, because the actual trend is bullish. So it's been in a 4-hour bullish trend as well. So daily, I quite like the idea of that. So at the moment, I quite like the idea of this pair. We'll have to see what happens in the next few hours, and then I'll make a decision on whether or not I keep it on through the news and just take the risk. Because it's only a small risk for this. I'm only trading $1 a pair, so pips. So we shall see. And actually, this stop is at right now. where's my thingy? There's my thingy. The stop is sitting at about 13 pips, because this new stop loss system I'm working on holds the stop very, very close to price. So if you get a sudden move, you hardly lose anything. But it's happy to cope with gentle moves like this. Yeah, so you can see it's happily. It gives you the space to have the long, but it doesn't. It's close enough so that if I lose $13 on it, whatever. Anyway, have a great trading day, people. I want to be a forextrader.com or dailyforextrader.me. We've got congestion trading, we've got gold trading, showing turnarounds in the market. That's it. I want to be a forextrader.com. Dailyforextrader.me is the blog. Sorry about the noise in the background if you can hear it. That's the radiator pump we've got. I live on this boat. I've got a radiator pump. It makes noise. I can't turn it off because if I do, all kinds of horrible things will happen to the heating.